Hello, Stretch the Balloon Dude here, and welcome to Twisted Toppers 2. This DVD is all about hats, and it features a series of hats that all use the same basic base. They all involve 6 260s. All the 260s are blown up, leaving about, for me, a hand width for, it's about 4 inches of tail uninflated, but all of them will use the exact same quantity of balloons. 6 260s blown up like this. And the way we'll start them is you do about a hand width bubble, followed by a small round bubble, and make that into a pinch twist. And for most people, 6 of these will go around a person's head. Now, obviously, if the person's got a bit larger head, you may want to make these a little bigger. If it's for a smaller child, maybe make them a little smaller. Also in this DVD, and I do this a lot, I use this hat pretty regularly because it's a lot of fun and it's easy and it's fairly quick once you get going. I'm going to be using 6 different colors in every hat that we do. That way you'll be able to follow the pattern a little bit easier if you can see where each color is going. Obviously you can do it all the same color. You can do any color combination that you want. For Mardi Gras, maybe do purple, green, yellow. For Christmas hats, red, green, and white. If you're at a bar or bat mitzvah, blue and white or whatever. They're the kids' favorite colors. It doesn't matter. So once you've got your first one, you're going to take your second one, and we'll do the same thing for all 6. We'll do about a hand width bubble, small round bubble, and then make your pinch twist. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the tail, or the nozzle actually, of the one balloon, and then you're going to twist it into the pinch twist of the second. Just like that. And then we're going to continue with all 6 balloons until we've made a complete hexagon. So you'll take your next color, and I've already pre-done these here. Twist the nozzle, and the pinch twist of the last one that you added in. So now we've got 3 there. And we're going to take another color. And again, just twist the nozzle into the pinch twist of the one that you just added in. And just repeat that until you've got all 6 balloons attached. There's number 5 and number 6. Now when you get to your 6th balloon, you're going to take the nozzle of your first balloon and obviously twist it into the pinch twist of the 6th or last balloon that you just added. That will complete your hexagon. This is going to be the base of all of your hats. And as you can see, there's our hexagon. That will make the base of all the hats, and then the hat will be formed out of our 6 tails that are sticking up in various patterns. And again, by using the different colors, you'll be able to follow the pattern of where each balloon goes. And it makes it easier when I'm teaching or when you're learning to follow that way. So get your balloons, get your pump, and let's have some fun.